Final project of the day. Miss Leah Little doing her mock design for a garden club in Westchester, Connecticut. I think it is divine. As she said, she usually doesn't like monks, but those are a certain kind of monk. Very, very pretty.
Different.
Their final tests. Here, this one is exquisite. Give it a spin. This is her centerpiece for a garden club in Westchester, Connecticut. Superbly done with those nice purple mini callas. Brilliant. Here is our Chanel model. Give it a spin. Beautiful. Love this one. And here's our last one. She did a little cluster and zone thing. I like it just the way you did it. Really nice concept. Fabulous. Brilliant. Flower School 101.